This is the ideal person's blood. Nice and round and hydrated, and the little white blood cell in the middle doing work, checking on each of them, making sure they're healthy. Here's someone with a challenge, possibly too much sugar. After the cleanse, everything's hydrated and round. Here's someone with an even deeper challenge. All of the cells seem to be stuck together and a little translucent. Looks like that they're not stuck like they were before. This person possibly has eaten too much meat, has too much fat in the bloodstream. That's the triglycerides you see there in the back. Little white blood cell there doing its job. This person might have been exposed to something. Suddenly his blood cells are in serious trouble. Same person after his 11-day experience. And this person, of course, I am sure wasn't feeling well. This is just 11 days later. 4 days of cleanse and 5 days of replenish.